Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today's video is an all-day whole house clean, so it is packed with cleaner motivation to help you tackle your homes as well. Do go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already, and also leave today's video a thumbs up, and let's just jump straight into it. Only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is. So before I head downstairs and tackle the mess that's waiting for me in the kitchen, I just wanted to go ahead and make the bed, because I love getting into a freshly made bed at the end of the day. So I always try and do that first thing in the morning, or at least before I go to bed. And now I can tackle the kitchen. It's always a complete mess, so I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of any rubbish, put everything back where it belongs so I can do the washing up, get rid of the washing up that I did the night before, and just declutter the kitchen. Why don't we all calm down? So I was absolutely loving the weather on this day, even though it's still really cold outside and I've got the heating on. With the sun shining through the window, it just makes me feel all summery and happy, and it just puts me in such a good mood. So I thoroughly enjoyed this day. I enjoy cleaning when it's nice and sunny. It just puts me in a really good mood and it helps motivate me. So today was a very satisfying day for a big clean. Everything disappear. You play my favorite song, put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the beaching sun, put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. This is a good life. Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks. Citrus in our beverages, only the good. So once I had all the washing up done, I did just want to leave it to air dry for a while. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe down all of the sides and the cupboards and drawers and everything, just to make sure that it's nicely disinfected and smelling gorgeous for the day. I'm still using the Flash kitchen spray in the mandarin scent. It smells so clean and fresh, it's lovely. So I'm just going to go around and wipe everything down.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground.
So once I had everything wiped over and clean, it was time to put the washing up away. I've let it air dry for as long as possible, and then I do just wipe over it if it's still a little bit wet, but I wanted to just get it all put away so the kitchen is nice and decluttered and I can go in and clean the sink.
falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs.
So I should probably test out some other products, but I think we all have our go-tos, we all have our favourites, and the Cif cream and white vinegar spray is definitely mine. So I just stick with that. I know that it works, it makes the sink nice and shiny, and it smells beautiful as well. So I use this every single time. I always go over it with a minky first, just to get off any food or dirt or anything that's stuck onto it. And then I go back over it with a dry microfiber cloth and the white vinegar spray, just to buff it up and make it nice and shiny. I have tried a few different products on the sink, but the Cif still wins every single time, so I think I'm just going to be using this forever because I absolutely love it. So yeah, let me know what you use on the sink, and if you have a go-to product for any room in the house, I would love to know what your favourite products are.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors.
So once I had the kitchen all done, it was time to head through into the living room, and this routine pretty much stays the same every single day. I have to go in and just tidy it up, put everything back where it belongs, and then I can go in and do the dusting and hoovering. I do make sure that I hoover the sofa today because it's been a little while since I've given the sofa a bit of TLC, and there was just tons of crumbs and stuff on it, so it definitely needed doing today. So I'm just going to go through and hoover everything, dust everything, and make it feel super cozy.
I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile. What is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old.
So once I had all that hoovered off, I'm going to go in with my Pledge polish and do the TV stand and also the radiator cover, and just give everything a good dust over, making sure that it's nice and clean. And for some reason the Pledge fragrance feels cozy to me, and I don't know why, but for some reason this is my favourite. I do use the Fabulosa polish as well because it does smell absolutely beautiful. It smells really fragranced and perfumed, but for some reason the Pledge is just my favourite. It just smells cozy, and I feel like my house is nice and fresh and finished once it's had a good polish over with the Pledge. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that before hoovering the rest of the room and getting it nice and tidy and clean. I feel like hoovering really completes the room, so I do try and do this every day.
I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me. And he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time.
So once I had downstairs all done, I just wanted to head back upstairs and freshen up the bedroom a little bit more, giving it a good dust and hoover. Like I said before, using the Pledge, it just makes everything feel cozy, and I wanted to have a cozy bedroom for this evening, so I'm just going to go in and give everything a dust over, give it a good hoover, and just make it nice and fresh.
Yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah.
I really hope you've enjoyed today's video, and I hope you found all the motivation that you came looking for today. If you did, then don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you here. I do post every single day, so there is tons of motivation, home decor inspo, decluttering and organisation, and I would love for you to be a part of it by clicking the red subscribe button down below, and I will see you back here in the next one.
Do it for me too.